Hey guys, how to clear Safari history on iPhone. So in order to clear Safari history, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the settings, scroll a little bit down, hit apps, search for Safari. Okay, hit Safari right here, scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna clear history of website data, right? And just to be safe, make sure to select all history, okay? And click clear history. That way you will clear the Safari history on iPhone. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.